Staff members of the Manipur University of Culture staged a sit-in protest near the old secretariat in Babupara today, demanding the resignation of Registrar L. Radhakanta and the regularization of eligible university staffs. The protesters held various placards highlighting their demands. Speaking to the media, lecturer B. Gopiraman Sharma expressed concern about the declining condition of the department. He also criticized Registrar L. Radhakanta for his disrespectful responses to senior staff who approached him with their concerns. Gopiraman noted that the staff had met with the department's commissioner Ojoy and assured them of arranging a meeting with the chief minister. He expressed optimism that the relevant authorities would address their demands.
MUCda paibiriba laisramgi Radhakantra MCS ko MCS kadar lagi lakpanina art ki oiriba phibam sing asigi posi khangdabani khangde karini khangde masigi development side students singi development side amadi faculty singi development side singi loina fail oire adagi abji guest faculty maruina tha mapan subna pikhrabari remuneration se akoi phangdana la amle hairiba mayam ase aikoina phangdana bagi tanba matamda mangonda telephone tawdana natraga wahang khara hangjaru matamda so ahal loiraba akoi mayam se da warga tokro ka ne haigumba sigumba phajada wahai wata ga se sinarpa adagi ma ki tangta da mawong singsina Manipuri University of Culture North East ki oina ani suba India manungda ani suba university oiriba Manipur asi art and culture amadi sports na masak takjaba aduga maru oraba cultural university se tawriba thawyo sinadi yam thuna mutkhima yare haiba wafamduni aduga hairiba university se ke hojik deputation da laiba registrar si lawthoga regular registrar ma sinjan biyo si aduga hairiba development mayam se chakhatnabagi potuni akhona ngasi thamjari